The 2018 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, ABS 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, cruise control, auto off headlights, front wheel drive, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, trip computer, side head airbag, bucket seats, passenger airbag, power windows, CD player. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.